Alrighty, so check my run out. My run out was perfect. Now I'm going to Loctite these two pinch bolts. It definitely spins a lot freer. There's a magnet right there. Alright. And just thinking, when you're rolling the engine around, putting this thing together, you want to be careful of your oil line down there on the bottom, that you don't crush it. Otherwise, you'll have to replace it as well. It was such a nice day today, I decided not to build inside the house. So, alright, so the next deal, we're going to put the clutch itself on. Set that one there. Alright. That's pretty well lined up. And what I'm going to do to start off with is I'm just going to lightly put the first screw in. It just touched the clutch. And then I'm going to put the other one in. That way it both bolts are in there lining it up. And then I'm not even going to seat it all the way. I'm just going to work the two screws and just gently let that clutch come on down. And right there it's seated. And there we go. You got a clutch one way. It's seated all the way down. Real nice. We got the fan and the clutch installed.